Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Hamilton Beach Sear and Cook Stockpot Slow Cooker, a versatile kitchen companion with a large 10-quart capacity, perfect for serving 12 or more people. This innovative slow cooker allows you to lock in flavor by searing your ingredients right on the stovetop before finishing the meal in the same nonstick pot, which is compatible with gas, electric, or ceramic stovetops. With 15 heating options, you can easily customize your cooking experience by mixing and matching high, low, or warm settings with cooking times ranging from 2 to 10 hours. The lightweight, removable aluminum pot is designed for easy handling, making it simpler to lift even when full. Once your cooking is complete, the slow cooker automatically shifts to a warm setting, ensuring your meal stays at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve. Whether you're cooking a 10-pound turkey or a 12-pound roast, this slow cooker is built to handle hearty meals for family gatherings or entertaining a crowd. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights and reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.